Hey everybody, welcome back. I got another AEW 2022 Allure Upper Deck Blaster Box. Build Color Flow Rainbow set of your favorite AEW stars. So we're looking at 6 cards per pack, 5 packs. Blaster exclusive. Collect low numbered blue parallel or select insert sets. I don't know what the odds are of getting a autograph out of it. Probably not good. I don't know if they even do it, but you never know. You never know, do you? But as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. Thanks for stopping by. As always, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Give a thumbs up. And let's open this box here, shall we? Let's take a peek. Had a good time opening these up last time. Hopefully get some awesome this time. See who we get. There we go. Boom. There's our 6 packs. 5 packs. 5 packs, 6 cards. Anything look out of ordinary there? Anything bigger? Nope, looks the same, don't it? All right, start number 1 here. Here we go. Here we go. We have Julia Hart. Oh, what do we got here? We got good looking card, Jade Cargill. All right. Lee Moriarty. We got Jungle Boy. I thought that was a number there. This is the card. Jungle Boy Jack Perry. All right. We have Evil Uno. All right. And of course, Excalibur. All right. That was the first pack there. Next pack. Let's see what we get here. Here we go. We got Malachi Black. All right. Ooh, we got something coming up. Something good coming up. We have Chuck Taylor. This must be our rainbow set coming up here. We got Darby Allin. All right. Here we go. The color flow. What do we got? Eddie Kingston. We got Eddie Kingston. Color flow. All right. What is this here? What? I'll put that down there for a second. What is? Look at that card right there. We got the Guns. My Squad. Look at that card. Nice cut card right there. All right. Kind of cool. Put that up there. Then we have Dr. Britt Baker, OMD. All right. All right. Next pack. Here we go. Let each pack be better than the next. We got Alex Reynolds. All right. We got Ricky Starks. Good looking cards. We have Dante Martin. I like to give a little flash to these cards. Oh, look at this. What is this? I Scream 4. You know, Wardlow. Look at that card. It's an ice cream bar. Look at that. There we go. We got an ice cream bar. We got another Lee Moriarty. And we got an MJF. All right. Slide these over a little bit here. So far, that second pack. That's the pack right there. That's the pack to beat. Will pack number 4 beat? Let's find out. We have the bunny. All right. Oh boy, we got Konosuke Takashita. All right. Ooh, we got another. We have Sammy Guevara. All right. What do we got here? We got another. Oh, we got a ref. We have Aubrey Edwards. All right. Oh, look at that. Jeff Jarrett. There we go. Nice. Jeff Jarrett. Yeah. Former WWE. And we got Daniel Garcia. All right. Last pack. This is going to be it, right? This is it. This is going to be the awesome, the best pack. Here we go. Right away, we got Aubrey Edwards. There. We got Christian Cage, former WWE. We got Adam Cole. Nice. Look at that. Eddie Kingston. It's a good looking card right there. That's a cool looking card. Eddie Kingston. Well, we have the same Adam Cole, but it's just like that. It's just like these, but kind of a darker. And Matt Maynard. All right. Well, I'm going to say pack 3 was the best. Wait. Nope. Pack 2 was the best. Then pack 3. Pack 5. Pack 4. Then pack 1. Just because we got that just cool, my squad, the Guns, and Eddie Kingston color flow. Of course, this must be a parallel. You know, nice. All right. Maybe they're. Let's see. They just got different colors. There's some gold, we got some gray, some silver. They got some different color to them. Almost a blue for Darby. Well, there you go. That was the 2022 AEW Wrestling. We love wrestling. Hopefully you saw some of your favorite wrestlers there. But yeah, I enjoyed. I always like enjoying. I always love opening up wrestling cards. Hopefully you guys like to watch it. But as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Give a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching. And I'll see you for the next video. And guess what? Stay safe out there. And I'll see you for the next video.